Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
It gives me a shock after seeing what has actually happened in the past. Now what we have done is now we are going to do foolproof methods and bring in more transparency. But it is shocking to note that which is the period during a particular period in Calangute, Candolim, Arpora-Nagoa-Parra, total land converted, which the people of the state should know, and then the committee of all the stakeholders along with the town planners have made certain suggestions for certain areas to be taken off, and 16,94,115 square meters of land was converted by a particular individual in a specific period. You can find out who that individual was. 4,27,715 square meters of land was only removed from Calangute and converted into orchard, no development zone and agriculture land from settlement land. So out of 16 lakh square meters, total amount of area that is being taken off is around close to 9 lakhs and odd square meters. There was another individual has converted close to 30,000 square meters of his own land during holding position of that authority. It also our member secretary has also given in writing that whatever he has signed signed under pressure from that concerned individual. That is on record, and that other agencies which need to investigate will investigate after our report is put forward. Whatever commitments that have been given by the by the authority, those commitments have to be honored. So in case there's a mistake from our side, they have in that 60-day period to make a representation to the board, and the board will and the committee will have a look at it, and the board will have a look at it, and the board will take it forward.